Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over how I built a pretty cheap little cosplay set. And to build this set, I just used some super cheap equipment from Amazon. So I got this package that comes with like 3 different color backdrops, like a green backdrop that's made out of cloth, a black backdrop, and a white backdrop. And it also comes with like the backdrop holder thing. I don't really know what it's called. And it also comes with 3 softboxes, and I think it was like $100. So my setup that you'll see in like a second is like the black backdrop that's made out of cloth, the backdrop holder obviously, and I'm using 2 softboxes. And we also bought some cheap paper lanterns off of Amazon as well. I think that cost me like maybe like $15 or something, and that's it for like this whole shoot. And we just set it up in my really tiny living room, so you don't need a lot of space, thankfully, to get some cool photos. So without further ado, hopefully this will be a little bit helpful, and if you have any questions or anything, let me know. And after you see the clips of me showing how we built the set, I'll add some photos of the completed edited photos afterwards so you can see how they turned out. And thanks again, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. And again, any questions, let me know. Hey friends, so I'm going to show you guys how I'm putting together a set to shoot inside. Normally I'd rather use like my couch and things in my actual apartment, but for this shoot that doesn't really work for that. So we're gonna build a set, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So the first thing we do is get a backdrop set up, and it's not the widest or longest backdrop ever, but it'll do. And then we also have our 2 lights that we'll figure out. What we're gonna do too is we bought all these Chinese lanterns because the costume is very like Chinese New Year vibes. So we bought a bunch of these. We're gonna like tape those to this, and we're also making, because this is for Valentine's Day, we're also making little like Valentine's Day muffins, or sorry, Valentine's Day cupcakes. And I'm gonna show you guys that too. Chris is making them.
Right, lots of chocolate.
Yeah, so
wow.
Those
are my monstrosities that I'm making.
What are those?
I literally just doused them in melted chocolate.
Okay, so that's something not be part of the shoot. And there's little muffins, and then we have in the fridge, we have strawberries covered in chocolate. We'll be putting those on the muffins, and hopefully it'll be kind of cute. So yeah, I'll put that together and I'll come back. Hey guys, so we just put on we used double-sided tape to tape all the lanterns onto the backdrop. So hopefully that'll look kind of cute. We'll see once we take photos. So I'm gonna go put my costume on, and then we're gonna try to shoot with this. Hey friends, so we got our little setup and my cosplay on to show you what it kind of looks like. You can kind of see it's like this very like, I don't know, Chinese New Year vibe dress. And then we have the cute little lights in the back. And then I'll turn here, it's like really bright. You can see we have both lights set up. I have a prop fan and prop cupcake, so that'll be fun. But yeah, I feel like the biggest thing when you're making sets at home is to do stuff to make it a little bit more exciting. Whether that be to have props or set up little, oh, one fell down. Set up little lanterns and stuff. I don't know, it's fun. You gotta get creative with it. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions.